we can explain it.
Yeah. Hi guys. So Akshay Patil has done the given task and he has showed the demo just now. Yeah, Akshay. So just run your application and show the people and tell them that what you have done to complete this task. What are the classes you have created? What is the logic that you have written? So could you please explain that for our people?
Okay, sir. Basically, I have taken one controller, user registration controller, where I have mapped, means given, and for taking values from GSP page, I have created 3 helper classes like login. This is my login class. I have taken here 2 variables, email, password.
So this is, yeah, I will give the demonstration. So this is login.java class. It is used to capture the data from the login page.
Login page, yeah.
Then open user.java.
User.java.
Helper class, yeah. This class is used to take the data from the user registration. When user click on the register button, that form data should be binded to this Java class and this data will be inserted into the table. Then task request. So this task name, task date and task time and user registration. Why user registration again here?
Sir, I have taken one many to one relationship show here.
Okay, so here you have taken user registration object to represent that user data. Okay. Yeah, and entity classes.
This is my user registration entity class.
User registration entity class. User record will be inserted into the table. Okay. Task class. Can you show me? Yeah. Task class is available. So task class is having a relationship with the user registration. Many to one. Many tasks are related to one user. Okay. One user can have many tasks. Either you can represent it as a one-to-many relationship as well as many-to-one relationship. So many tasks are belongs to one user, right? User registration is one entity, task is another entity. So basically, guys, he has taken 2 tables in the database. One is a task table, another one is user table. Many tasks can belongs to one user, so he has taken many-to-one relationship. Good. Next. Repositories, can you show the repositories to them?
Yes, this is my
task repository.java. So here select star from task where ID is equal to positional parameter, native query is equal to true. To get all the tasks based on the ID, you are writing a custom query. Okay. User registration repo. Bind by email ID and password.
This is for login.
This method is used for the login functionality. Based on the given email ID and password, you want to check that login. Very good. Now go to the controller. User registration controller. So first one, do login. It is going to display a login page. Second method is a register page. It will just display the registration page. Third method is the save user method. So here, when user register, you are saving that user data in the database table and displaying a success message. Next one, create a task. So here, based on the email ID and password, create a task, login form data you are getting. Yeah. No, I'm getting confused here. Go back to your page, task page. No, not the class. Front end. Task.jsp. So in the task.jsp, task name, date, and hidden variable you are taking as a user ID. So how you are sending, what is the method to display the task form?
Sorry?
Go to controller, user controller or task controller. Where is the method to display the task form?
Task form. Here is the task form.
Once user is logged successfully, which page is getting displayed?
Once user is logged in, then it will go to register. Means this page register. Then when register,
login success करने के बाद.
Login success करने के बाद, it will go to task. Yeah.
Login is success. After login is success, it is redirecting to the So the method name you have given incorrect, man. So this you have given the name as create a task, right? It should be login check.
Yeah.
So I'm getting confused with your method name. Change that method name. In the line number 66, that what is the functionality of that method?
They log in and after it is sending to the task page.
So that method is, you need to write that method as login check, right? It is not for creating the task, login check. Once login is successful, then it is going to the task page. Okay.
Change later.
So when you are sending that to the task page, you are sending the user object to the task. Right. Then save task method will be called. In the save task, you are getting the task request. Open the task request class. Task time, user registration data you're getting. Okay, got it. Now go to the registration controller. Yeah. Guys, here, man, change that method name first. It is not readable. Change the method name to login check. The URL pattern also we should give as login. Yes. Now people can easily understand that this is used to verify the login functionality. So once you verify the login, if the user credentials are valid, it will redirect that to the task page. Task page will open. So in the task page, you will fill up the data and you will click on submit button. Then scroll down. It will go to save task page, save task method. It will get the task request. Once you get the task request, then you are creating a task object, setting the name of the task, date we are setting for that task, task time, user registration object you are setting to the task. Then you are getting the user ID. Then you are calling the save method. Task will be created. Now go to the tasks page, view tasks, 120 line number. So get all tasks based on the ID. So this ID is basically logged in user ID. Based on that logged in user ID, you are getting the tasks and you are displaying in the table. Okay, good. So here, one small problem is there. One mistake you have done. Right. So task ID, you are storing into current class variable. That is an instance variable. If
Yes.
multiple people log in at a time, then
I'm not getting idea for that. That's why I did like this.
So you are storing that. If you see in the line number 106, you are storing the ID, this dot ID, current class variable.
Yeah.
If two people access your application at a time, which ID will be maintained there? I will click on view task. You will click on the view task. Then which tasks will be displayed?
Really confused.
Mr. Akshay, do you understand
Yes.
what is the problem you have done?
Yes, sir.
What is the problem?
Means if two users log in, then it will.
If two users log in, then it will give incorrect tasks, right? So this is not the right way to maintain the task. It is not the right way to get all the tasks based on the logged in user.
Yes.
Okay. This is not the right approach. Everything is correct. The only last method implementation is incorrect. Yeah. Think about it. Only logged in user ID you need to take it. Instead of taking that ID from the instance variable, only logged in user ID you need to take. Based on that, you need to retrieve the tasks.
No, sir. मतलब जो आईडी है ना वो मैंने उस यूजर से ही गेट की है. मतलब इस यूजर की आईडी है ना. अगर ये मेथड
अभी मान के चलो. Can you scroll up? Now, two people logged in and two people created the tasks. Then which value will be stored in that variable? Two people logged in into our application.
Yeah.
What value will be stored in the ID?
Sir, user ID will go there. Means user ID which is in present in a database. That ID will go there.
No. Can you scroll up? Where is that this variable? This dot ID. Where you declared that variable? This is a class level, right?
Yeah. This I have taken here.
Yeah, it is an instance variable. Right. So when let me tell you, when the first user executed this method, first user ID will be stored into this let ID. Immediately, second user also logged in into the application. Then first user ID will be override with the second user ID, right?
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So this is not the right way to maintain. Yep. Good. To think on it, how can we fix that issue? So that is not the right way. We should not declare the instance variables because instance variables can be modified with the user operation. So you will get inconsistent data when we are retrieving the tasks. At the time of storing the tasks, you are doing good. But when the time of retrieving the tasks, there is a problem in your code.
Okay, sir. I will.
Yeah, good. Good job, Akshay. So great work. How much time it took for you to complete this?
Sir, I took 4 to 5 hours.
Okay, good job. Next one, guys. Who else completed this task? Who else completed this task? Can you raise your hand so that I can see your code? Bhaiya. Can you rename yourself? Your name is Bhaiya. What's your correct name? Some people has given the name as a dot and semicolon. I will remove those people if they don't have the proper name. Rename yourself, enter the correct name. Rename yourself and enter the correct name. The people whose name is dot and semicolon. Otherwise, I will put you in the waiting room. Rename yours. Yeah, Alok, can you share your screen, Alok? Can you show me what you have developed?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, is my screen visible?
Right, it's visible. Can you run your application and show me?
Yeah. I have created one student management system. And let me just, first of all, I have to stop the server. Yeah. Controller. Just allow me a moment, sir. Let me see the port number. It's localhost. Localhost 808/students. One second, sir. If you go to the controller, grade 074. /students. Yeah. Hi, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, I tried to create an application by which we can do the CRUD application.
Okay.
Okay. So this is the application which I created. Okay. So if the user want to update the details, they can click on this button, and after that they can update. If they want to delete, they can click on this and they can delete.
Can you click on the delete?
Supposedly a yes. What happened?
Request method get not supported. I think that method is binded to post request mapping.
Let me show you. Let me show me the code, sir. This is the code. This is the controller. Okay. So student service. So this first one is for
Can you scroll
retrieving,
down?
and
so this is fine. The card operations is fine. We are going to do this card operations in my classes, coming classes. With the REST API, I will do the card operations. So where is the task which I have given?
so that also I have done. Actually, I was having confusion that this application which I have created, in that application, I have not taken that the application dot you were taking that prefix and suffix in application dot properties. It automatically took that. In application dot properties, sir, I have not mentioned the prefix and suffix. I have just created controller, entity, repository, and the service classes. And by the help of that, I have created this CRUD application. And
okay.
So that was my confusion as well, sir. That we were doing in Spring MVC, that we were giving the prefix, suffix, and view name. But in this application, only I have created the controller, entity, repository, and the service and service simple. And by that, I'm able to create that CRUD application.
The card application, that is fine, man. That is okay. Where is the task which I have given you?
Yeah, let me show it to you, sir. Allow me a moment, sir. Just allow me a moment.
Meanwhile, guys, anyone else has done this? Anyone else done that coding part? Anubhav Srivastava?
Yes, sir.
Did you complete the task?
Yes, sir. Almost done, sir.
Yeah, we'll check it once.
This is the web MVC form which I have created. Should I run it? Or?
No. I'm asking, did you complete the task which I have given, storing the task and retrieving the task?
Sir, I have created that login registration part. Okay. By which you can login, and I have not used the database exact database, the S2 database which you have used. I've created one application by taking the help of S2 database, and one application by simple HTML. I have created a login registration form, and in which you can enter the details of the user and insert the record.
That is fine. I understand. Right. So I want to see what you have developed. Just run that and show me.
Okay, sir. Okay. Just log in. On this I created right now.
You have not implemented database logic. You just created the HTML pages. That's it, right?
Yeah, actually what you have dictated in the class, I just gone through that application only. And this application 18th one is this 17 web MVC is from it, like taking the S2 database.
By Alok, what I asked you to show me the task which I have given. You have not done that, right? You have created the student registration form, but you have not implemented the requirement which I have given. You developed a card operation application. That is good. You have not done that. Tell me that one straightforward so that I can go with the other person. So you have done that card operation application. That is good. So I'm asking the task application is completed or not. That is not completed. Please work on that. Okay.
The task application is not completed. Still not completed.
Yeah. Please work on that.
Okay.
Good. Anubhav Srivastava, can you unmute and can you share your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please do that. Share your screen, Anubhav.
Yes, sir. Is it visible, sir?
Yes, sir, it's visible.
Yes. एक्चुअली सर मुझे यहाँ पे प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, मैं प्रिंट नहीं करा पा रहा हूँ डेटा को. हेलो.
हाँ, go ahead.
सर मैं जब व्यू टास्क पे जा रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे मैं डेटा प्रिंट नहीं करा पा रहा हूँ सर.
So your data is not printing. Okay.
मैं डेटाबेस से डेटा ला रहा हूँ सर, ये है डेटाबेस से डेटा.
हाँ.
लेकिन यहाँ इस फील्ड में प्रिंट नहीं करा पा रहा हूँ सर.
ठीक है, fine. So you are not able to display the data in the table format.
यस सर, ओनली यही टास्क बचा सर, बाकी सब कंप्लीट।
ठीक है, ठीक है, ठीक है man, at least you tried something good.
ओके सर।
Remaining people. Remaining people, anyone else? Vicky. Hello, Mr. Vicky.
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
Good
did you
evening, sir.
complete?
Yes, sir, I tried something.
Yeah, share your screen. Show me that.
Is it visible, sir?
It's loading. Yes, I can see your screen.
So my application is already running and I used S2 database. So
Mhm.
here is my registration form. I fill the
Mhm.
name, everything. And if I click submit, then user land on a login page. But
Okay.
here I said use static data, not like as Akshay Patil did. So I
Mhm.
just take it static. And after login, if user is correct, then welcome we like something and add new to do gym health priority P1. And if you to do is successful added, then after view to do, the to do list is visible. And if you user want to add a new to do list, then you can also.
Yeah. So is it displaying the tasks based on the logged in user?
No, sir. It's not based on the logged in user.
Yeah, you need to implement it based on the logged in.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Fine. Anyhow, at least you've done something.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good. Yep. Next one, guys. Who else? Next one. Who else did the coding for this project? Who else completed the coding for this project? Only 4 or 5 people has tried. Yeah, Alok, what is your doubt?
सर मैं ये पूछ रहा था, मतलब जैसे स्प्रिंग जो वेब एमवीसी से हम लोग जो वी आर क्रिएटिंग वेब एप्लीकेशन, तो उस वेब एप्लीकेशन में हम लोग को व्यू का भी नाम बताना पड़ता है, प्रीफिक्स, सफिक्स एंड व्यूज, ठीक है। तो जो एप्लीकेशन मैंने बनाया था, मतलब जो कर रहा था, उसमें डायरेक्ट कंट्रोलर, एंटिटी रिपोजिटरी और जो कर रहे हैं, तो उसमें स्प्रिंग बूट डायरेक्टली कर लेता है ना सर? अगर टेम्पलेट्स में हम करते तो वो डायरेक्टली, मतलब वो खुद से पता कर लेता है ना कि यहाँ पे टेम्पलेट में ये है। तो हम लोग को मतलब जरूरी है कि वेब एमवीसी वाला ही स्टाइल फॉलो करना है वेब एप्लीकेशन के लिए?
Right. So here we need to create the view files and we need to configure them in the view resolver. If you are using JSP or Timeleaf as a front end, but nowadays nobody using that JSP and Timeleaf for the front end. People are going for Angular or React. So from tomorrow we are going to start that REST API development, right? So that you will get more clarity on that area. I will show you the integration of full stack application.
सर कंफ्यूजन ये है ना कि जैसे रेस्ट एपीआई में तो हम लोग को मतलब डेटा चाहिए होता है, मतलब REST API is all about the data in the form of JSON and all.
Excellent.
जो वेब
XML
एप्लीकेशन
and
हमको
JSON.
बनाना है, या सो जो वेब एप्लीकेशन हमको बनाना है, तो वेब एप्लीकेशन बनाने के लिए हमको जरूरी थोड़ी है मतलब कि ये जो स्टाइल है स्प्रिंग वेब एमवीसी का वही फॉलो करे।
वही फॉलो करते हैं। इंस्टेड ऑफ कंट्रोलर वी विल यूज रेस्ट कंट्रोलर, दैट इज द ओनली डिफरेंस। ठीक है, वो कल से आपको पता चलेगा।
नहीं, मैं रेस्ट एपीआई की बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ सर। मैं एक नॉर्मल वेब एप्लीकेशन बनाना चाह रहा हूँ, तो उसके लिए जरूरी है कि जैसे वेब एम जो आपने बताया कि एप्लीकेशन डॉट प्रॉपर्टीज में आपको देना होगा, व्यू रिजॉल्वर को बताना होगा कि भाई ये मेरा फाइल है, मतलब सफिक्स प्रीफिक्स ऑन फोल्डर पे बताना होगा आपको वहाँ। तो मतलब मैंने जो एप्लीकेशन बनाया था उसमें तो डायरेक्टली स्प्रिंग बूट ही डिसाइड कर लेगा ना, अगर टेम्पलेट में मैं बनाऊंगा तो कि मतलब हाँ यहाँ पे इनका ये फाइल है।
Right. It will decide that.
तो तो वेब एप्लीकेशन बनाने के लिए फिर स्प्रिंग एमवीसी क्यों यूज करना है सर? वो तो मेरा और मतलब काम बढ़ा रहा है ना।
सर काम बड़ा, आपको फॉर्म बाइंडिंग होता है, वैलिडेशन होता है। अगर आप सर्वलेट्स में गए तो आपको पूरा फॉर्म से डेटा लेके आना पड़ेगा, रिक्वेस्ट डॉट गेट पैरामीटर कॉल करना पड़ेगा, उस डेटा को जावा ऑब्जेक्ट में स्टोर करना पड़ेगा, ये बहुत लंबा कोड लिखना पड़ेगा ना उधर। ये रेडीमेड फीचर्स आर अवेलेबल, राइट?
अच्छा, मतलब उसका जो मतलब और बहुत सारे एम्बेडेड फीचर्स है, उसके लिए हम लोग ये यूज कर रहे हैं,
हाँ,
राइट सर?
राइट राइट।
ठीक है सर, ओके ओके।
गुड। Yeah, next one guys. Anyone else who completed the task? Partha, you can unmute your mic. Diksha, you can unmute your mic.
Sir, I have also tried. So let me show you. So in
Sorry?
my screen, yeah, I have also tried building this application.
Yeah, sure. You can show me that.
Yeah, so I have shared my screen. Is it visible?
Yes, sir. I can see the screen.
Yeah, so my application is running already. Let me refresh. Yeah.
Okay.
So if I go to, I have kept here two options: login and registration first. So if I go for registration and if I give some data, let's see. And if I hit save, then data is getting saved here. I am using this Oracle database here.